and welcome back to my video. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yes, I know I have been away for a while. I haven't posted. Technically, this is my first video of 2020 because my last Zodiac video, that it was my previous video, technically that was meant to go up before 2020. Well, you know, your girl has some technical difficulties. Your girl was busy. I wasn't able to put it up, so that's why it went up after 2019 in 2020. But we were just gonna move on. I know I haven't been posted. I haven't been posting. I haven't been posting on my YouTube channel as often as I normally do, and that is because your girl has got some big plans this year, and unfortunately I am busy planning those things out. I will let you guys know soon, hopefully. I don't know where that plan is and everything, but yeah, I have been also trying to think of ideas of what I can do on my channel and everything, especially now that the Zodiac series is finished. If you haven't watched that, make sure you go check it out. I will leave a card up here so that you can go check that out and everything. But yeah, so I have been thinking of, well, been trying to think of some ideas. I thought maybe I could start doing like a color series, so doing makeup looks inspired by colors. As you can tell here, today's makeup look is inspired by purple. So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking I might start with. It might be a very short series, but we'll see how we get on and everything with that. We'll be back soon, hopefully. I don't know when. Like I said, your girl's busy planning, got big plans for this year. Big plans for this year. This year is the year of millions, and you shall find out what that is very soon, hopefully. Very soon. But I'm gonna stop rambling. If you want to find out how I created this look inspired by the colour purple, make sure you carry on watching. Okay guys, so we're going to be starting my makeup look with a primer. Of course, we always need to start with a primer. The primer that I'm going to be using is by Revolution Pro, called Goddess Glow Primer, basically, which looks like this, and I'm just gonna pump it on my face, just straight onto it. Oh, okay, just like that, you know, just give my skin a little bit of a glow underneath my foundation. Next, we're gonna go straight onto foundation. The foundation that I'm gonna be using today is by Revolution, called Matte Bose Pore Blurring Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F13.5, which looks like this. And basically I'm just going to put it all over my face, just dab it on. I think I'm nearly finished. And then I'm going to go in with a stippling brush. Like, some people prefer to use a sponge for their foundation. I prefer to use a brush. I think if I didn't have a brush, then yeah, I definitely would go in with a sponge, but I prefer a brush. I always like to go over my lips as well, so that I can neutralize my lips, so that when I put the lipstick or the lip gloss or whatever I'm using on top, you can get it's pure color, if that makes sense. So that's why I like to also put foundation on my lips. Okay, I think that's blended in pretty well. Now I'm going to be going in with my concealer. So the concealer that I'm going to be using today is by Fenty Beauty, called Profil Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 350. And I tend to blend it out from the bottom working upwards, and then I tend to go in under my under eyes at the end, because with the Fenty Beauty concealer, I've noticed the longer you leave, the less it moves. So I always like to make sure the one underneath my eyes doesn't move as much. Of course, blend it out, but the opaque colour to just stay in the centre. So that's why I like to go in under my under eyes at the end. As you can see, it's already starting to dry now, and it's already quite hard to blend this out on my cheeks. Hello, Piper. My cat's come into the room. So if you see him in the back, like in the bed. I just like to go in with a banana powder. This one is by Revolution, called Chocolate Banana Scented Baking Powder, which I just like to go into set where I've just, well, highlighted basically. Okay, just like that, and I'm just gonna let that bake for a little bit. While that's baking, I'm gonna go into my eyebrows, and basically I'm gonna be using this Dipbrow pomade in the shade Medium Brown by Anastasia Beverlyhills, which looks like this. I'm starting to like the whole full eyebrow, kind of like that kind of look now, but I'm trying to do that now. So I need to actually trim them down a little bit, as you can see. We'll do that another time, not today. But basically just brush. And then what I actually like to do is dip it in. Basically, because I can already see how my eyebrows lays. I'm just gonna dab it in, and basically I'm kind of gonna follow how my brow lashes lay down. So I need the mirror to be a bit closer to me this time. So go around the end and kind of just use it to fluff it out. So like darken it, fill it up a bit. Do brush strokes like this. So just kind of like that. You can see I do need to, like, you know, trim it a little bit like I said, but it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so that's my eyebrows done, and I'm just gonna contour my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted, which looks like this. And the reason why I like to bronze before removing all the powder off is so that in the areas where I've got harsh line from the powder, like here or under here and everything, or around here, using the bronzer actually helps it blend it out much better, and it helps infuse the bronzer and the powder together so it looks like a smooth transition between the contour shade and the highlighted areas. So now I'm gonna, you know, remove the rest of the powder except for the one under my eyes, because I want it to catch any fallout that I might have for my shadow. And then I'm gonna be using the Makeup Obsession Mega Karma highlighter, which is like a brown highlighter. I don't know how to, yeah, it's like a brown highlighter. So on my skin tone, it actually looks like a very natural glow. It's not too harsh on the skin or anything like that. It's actually quite natural. So if you're looking for something that you can wear during the day, you don't want it to be too bright, too obvious that you're wearing highlighter, and you've got my type of skin tone, I definitely recommend this, because you still get that power look, but you know, it's not too harsh or anything like that. So kind of like that. I don't know if you can see it. Like, you still get the glow, but it's not too harsh. Like, you know you've got highlighter, but not right in your face, especially if you're someone that doesn't like to use highlighter and you want to start to use highlighter. This is definitely a nice highlighter to start with, because like I said, it's not too much and everything like that. Okay, now we're going to be moving straight onto the eyes. So for my eye base, I like to use this Revolution cut crease canvas full coverage eyeshadow base, which looks like this. This one's in the shade Halo. I like this one because I feel like it makes all eyeshadow colors just pop, and I'm actually running out. I think I've only got like literally the slightest bit left, so I'm gonna try and use it as much as I can. Well, try and get as much out as I can as possible. So we'll see what I can get. So I just like to put it on like that, and I know it looks crazy, but it's fine, because what I tend to do afterwards is just go in with a sponge and just blend it in. Some people like to use their fingers, some people like to use a brush. I like to use a sponge just because I feel like it blends it out much nicer, and it gives like a smooth base for the shadow to go into. So that's why I like to use a sponge instead, and I just feel like it spreads it out quite nicely. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. This one is the 35B Morphe palette, and it actually has a different ranges of bright colours, as you can see here. So basically we're going to start off with, I'm trying to think, what am I missing? What do I want to start off with? there's no neutral brown shade in here. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna go into my contour shade, and I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush and basically just go over like the top area of my eyelid. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in here first, and basically I'm just gonna start here and then just tap it and then just buff it out. I'm gonna just bring it towards my nose, down my nose area. But now we're gonna go into the actual palette now, and I'm gonna be using purple shade right here. I'm gonna go into that purple shade, and basically before I even do that, I'm gonna go back into this cut crease canvas, and basically I'm gonna create like a thick eyeliner. Don't know if it's gonna work, so please pray for me. Do that first to just see where I want it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into that purple. Oh, that's an intense color. I like it. Okay, and now I'm gonna get an eyeliner. I'm gonna be using Super Cat Fat Jumbo Carbon Black Ink eyeliner from Soap and Glory, which looks like this, and it's actually got quite a thick tip, but it's alright, we're gonna work with it. And basically I'm just gonna like trace around the eyeliner basically. So I'm gonna start here. In my inner corner, of course, I'm gonna have to go in with a highlight. So I'm gonna go in with a mixture of these two colors. So basically, because it's pink and purple, I want to mix it up a little bit, and I'll get pretty much the highlight from the pink side because the purple is a bit darker. So it gives me that lilac type of color when I mix it with the pink. And now I'm gonna brush the rest of the powder off underneath my eye, underneath my bottom lashes. And now time for eyelashes. So basically a company sent me some lashes for me to try out and do a look with, which I'm gonna try out for this look basically. And the company is called Lashes by Dupe. So I'll put their link to their account down below and everything like that. And the lashes, as you can see, they're very wispy and everything, which I like. I love wispy lashes. This is actually the packaging. It's like got this like diamond effect and everything. I think it's such a cool packaging and everything like that. So yeah, I'll link their Instagram down below. Just focus. Okay, and basically I'm gonna put these on off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish the rest of the makeup look. So I've got the lashes on and everything. For my mascara I actually used the It's So Big mascara from Elizabeth Mott. I think that's how you say it. It looks like this, and I used it put it on my top eyelashes and my bottom eyelashes. But I really like these lashes and everything. I did have to cut it down because they were a bit too long for my eyelash line and everything, so I did cut it down a little bit. But other than that, I think they're quite cute. They're quite wispy. I would say, I don't know, I like them. I do find them really long. Actually, no, what I've noticed is this one is not as wispy as this one. I don't know if you can tell if I look up. Like this one, you can tell it goes long, short, long, short, long, short. This one doesn't really do that, I've noticed. So, but they're still cute. But like I said, I will link their Instagram down below and everything. Before I go on to the lips, I'm actually gonna go into that shimmery purple that I used on my inner corner with the pink, but I'm actually just using the purple. And because, you know, this is a purple inspired look and everything, I'm gonna actually use that as a highlight as well. So I'm just gonna put it on top of my highlight. And of course I don't want it to be too much because we're not trying to look like Violet from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So you know, just a little bit. I don't want to just give me that purple glow, you know, that purple glow. So literally going wherever I've highlighted. The only purple lip gloss / lipstick I could find is this what's this called? It's called Instagirl Instant Liquid Lipstick, full colour, satin finish, and it's got vitamin C. And what shade is this? It doesn't say, but it's from Primark. Oh, come on, focus. It's from Primark, and basically it's like a vampy purple. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit and trying to just spread it out a little bit and everything like that. So I'm just gonna dab it in the middle, and basically, yeah, that's all I'm gonna put because I don't want it to be too overpowering with the eye look. And it looks like a cherry red, which is gonna go with it. And I know I haven't put it on properly and everything is fine, because what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fuzzy, and I'm just gonna put it on top anyway. So it's alright, you know, and just kind of use it to spread it out. Okay, just like that. See, it worked out, you know. Normally this is where I would normally set my face, but because my makeup section is a bit of a mess right now, I can't find it. So we're gonna pretend that I spritz my face, okay? So let's just pretend, and I'm just fanning it down. And that is pretty much the makeup look. I'm gonna just go get changed and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that is the end of the makeup look. What do you guys think? I thought it would look very cute, and you know, with this hairstyle and everything, because the hair is actually like black purple going to like really deep purple underneath and everything. So I thought this, you know, this wig will look cute with the actual makeup look. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the makeup look. Like I said in the beginning, if you haven't seen my previous video, which I will link in on here at the end, go check that out so you can enter my competition. The competition will end today at midnight, so you've still got a little bit, you've got a couple of hours. Now the time is ticking. You got a couple of hours to enter and everything, so you can win some free makeup and everything. Who doesn't want to win free makeup? It's so easy to win free makeup. So just make sure you go to that video to enter the competition. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna try and upload more videos soon, but you know, your girl is busy making money move, because this is the year of millions. Okay, millions. If you don't know what that means, you will know soon. I'm just letting you know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.